Good morning, students. There is a science of promotion for the law students and also other degree students. Here, as you know that recently UGC, that is the University Grant Commission, which is a statutory organization of Government of India, which can coordinate, determine and maintaining the standards of teaching and examination and research in the university education, has released the guidelines regarding the examination and academic calendar in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. So here it has released the detailed guidelines. So with regard to the examination, it has said that for the final year students, that is a final year, that is a terminal semester final year examination, be compulsorily conducted. It may be offline or it may be online and offline. So for the final year students, the examination has to be conducted within August 31st, 2021. That is 2021. That is this month. So for the final year students, the examination has to be conducted compulsorily. So that has been set by the UGC guidelines. But with regard to the intermediate, the semester students, intermediate semester students means it may be even semester, it may be odd semester, because what happens in certain states, there may be even semester students, they may be waiting for the examination. So with regard to the certain states, there may be odd semester students, they may be waiting for the examination. So with regard to those students, what has been said that they have to get promoted on the basis of the internal evaluation marks and also previous semester's marks as suggested in the 2020 guidelines. So this has been released by the UGC guidelines. That is recently on 16 July, it has released the guidelines. But it has also said that under para 7, the present guidelines are subject to the advisories issued by the apex statutory bodies, councils concerned, like Bar Council of India, AICTE, NCTE, DCI, INC, PCI, Ayush, etc. So the UGC, which is responsible for with regard to the maintaining the standard of the education, that is higher education, it has said its version. It has given certain guidelines, but which is subject to the certain statutory bodies. That is, statutory bodies has been established for the purpose of the particular professional courses. For example, the All India Technical Education. So which can formulate its own guidelines for with respect to the promotion, examination aspects. Likewise, with regard to the law education, that is Bar Council of India, we can say that is the brain computer interface. That means it is the which is the statutory body. That means for the purpose of for the purpose of controlling aspect, I said Bar Council of India is like a brain computer interface, because I search when you search what is meant by BCI, it will come that brain computers and interface. Likewise, our Bar Council of India is also it is also a body which is a statutory body which has been formulated under the Advocates Act. So which is also responsible for the maintaining of the coordinating and maintaining of the legal practice in India, and also standardizing the legal education in India. So here Bar Council of India is competent to give its own notifications and guidelines for the standardizing the legal education in India. So this is probably we have to after completion of the degree, LLB degree, we have to undertake the Bar Council of India examination. So here that Bar Council of India, it will conduct the All India Bar Council exams. So With regard to legal education, Bar Council of India has itself formulated the legal education rules of 2020. Here, with regard to the promotion, Bar Council of India also, it has formulated the committee under the chairmanship of Justice Mathur. And with regard to the promotion and with regard to the promotion of the students, with regard to the examination of the students, the committee has already been constituted on 2nd June 2021. And here, with regard to all these aspects, the main thing what we have to see with regard to the promotion of the students, the marks of the previous semester will be taken into account, and also the internal marks will be taken into account. So in this video I wanted to tell you that this except final year, for the other students, for the other intermediate students, there are bright chances are there with regard to the promotion of the students. So that aspect I wanted to tell you in this video with regard to the promotional aspects. So here there is one more thing I wanted to tell you, that here we have to remember the saying of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Here what we have to remember in this juncture, there is a famous saying of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He said that crises and deadlocks, when they occur, have at least has got the advantage that they force us to think. So that means now we are under the crisis and the deadlocks. So the main advantage of this crisis and deadlocks is that which will force us to think with regard to the next step, with regard to the prospective future of the law students and the law exams and the practice. Here what we have to think that here whether law exams are so much difficult, why we ask for the promotion. So here I am not discouraging you. Yeah, the promotion here according there are great chances that the even semester and odd semester students, that is intermediate students, they are going to be promoted except the final year students. But here with regard to the law exams, we have to why the students they find so much difficult to clear the exams. No doubt the pandemic is there, they don't have the classes, everything is okay. But other times also the passing percentage of the law students is very meager. Not only in any university in entire India, the passing percentage is very low. Not only now, from so many years, that is we don't find what you call passing percentage. It has reached to the 100% or 80%. Here, what we have to see, what is the expectation of the university? What is the expectation of the Bar Council of India? So the expectation of the university and Bar Council of India is to standardizing the legal education. So we should understand what is the expectation of the Bar Council of India and the universities. Just it is not like any other professional course. Here the expectations are different, so that we can, if we understand the expectation of the Bar Council of India and universities, then it is very much easier for us to face the examination. So here in examinations, probably you know what type of questions will be given. It may be the problem solving question will be there, problem solving questions will be given, and legal content, legal oriented matter will be expected from you. So that's why you think in that way. You think with regard to the quality of legal education in India. So if you think in that way, here our way of success will be different. So in this video, I like you to think in the direction of what is the expectation, what should be our object with regard to the attaining the legal education, in which direction we have to move. So that is the very much important for us, and this I wanted to tell you in this video. The only thing is I wanted to tell you that there are bright chances are there for the promotion of the intermediate students. So this is the small what you call opinion of from our TecH channel.